everyone, it's Angel.atomate here, back with another video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this from this. Both equally cute, but I just want to change it up and do something different for about a week or two. And to achieve such a luscious fro, I used the Kinky Crush Expressions. It comes in a pack like this, and I got mine in the color 2. Now I installed this hair using the crochet method, and I just did some loose braids under a wig cap, and I'll show you detailed step-by-step process of how I got this done. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. But first, a little bit of housekeeping. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and join the family. Now let's get into it. So this is my natural fro. I moisturized and I picked it out, but it is in its shrinkage stage because I did go swimming this morning. So my fro usually goes out to about like this all around, but that's on a good day. I will do some leave out so I can put my hair up in a bun and keep it more versatile, but most of my hair will be in braids underneath the crochet. So I'm going to start off by braiding my leave out. So that is out of the way. So I'm just going to do the perimeter right here.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want some.
And this is nothing fancy, okay? Just a braid to keep it out of the way. I don't think this is straight, but what is?
I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends.
My arms are already tired.
She call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic.
Yo, literally that was just the leave out. My arms are already tired. Like I said, I went swimming this morning and I was just treading water because that's like the best exercise, and my arms are killing me softly. But that's why this method is so good. I forgot to even tell you. So we're doing the wig cap method. So I got these from Amazon, and they have like little holes. So that way I don't have to braid my hair like so exact. I can just braid it down and then put this wig cap on and then use the holes in the wig cap as space. You'll see what I mean. Also, if you hear like chewing, my dog is in the background chewing his bone. That's the only way he can be quiet, or else this whole video would be him barking, which is ridiculous. So yeah.
I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in nuns with my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends.
These are the most basic braids I've ever done, and it's hurting my soul. I'm done. Okay, so this is the final braid pattern, if you can call it a pattern. Nothing fancy, just braids to the back. So now the ends, I'm gonna braid them together. And by the way, what I was using to moisturize my hair was just filtered water and olive oil mixed together in this spray thing. It just makes it more malleable and reduces breakage when I comb it out. And now, time for the wig cap. So I'm just gonna put it around the braids that I'm gonna be covering. And then this part, I'm not going to sew this down because the crochet hooks are gonna be hooked between the holes in the wig cap and my actual hair. So it'll hold it down, if that makes any sense. You'll see what I mean. This is how the hair looks outside of the packaging. It has these straight ends, which I don't know what for. I'm gonna cut those out. It's already, they separated it for us with these rubber bands. First set. Okay, this is gonna be hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera in front of a mirror, and then I'll be back when I get towards the front and then show you guys step by step. Okay guys, I'm back as promised, and now I'm gonna do the last section right here on camera so you guys see what I'm doing. So the pack comes with pre-sectioned pieces, like I showed you before with these rubber bands. So all I do is I cut off this straight part up here, like so. I take this section and I separate it into about 6 or 7 smaller pieces, and you have to do it quickly because it's all tangled together. So I go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th piece is right here. So I take a part of the net. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So I take a part of the net and a part of my hair, and I put the hook through, right? And then I hook the hair onto it, close the latch, pull it through. Oh, well, you can't see that. So I took a piece of hair, stretch it around 2 of my fingers like that, so it's like taut. And then I take a piece of the net and a piece of my hair, and then I put this hair through the hook, close the latch, and then pull it through. And then I open this hook piece, I pull all the hair through it and tighten the hook. So let me do that again. So take a strand of hair, pull it around 2 of my fingers, pull the hook through the net and through my own braided hair underneath, put this hair through the hook, close the latch, and pull it through. Now, this piece that's through, I put the hair through and close it like a knot. Okay, let me show you one more time, and then you should probably get it by then. Through 2 of my fingers, pull the hook through my hair and the net, pull the hair in the loop, close the latch, pull through. The part that's pulled through, open it, pull the pieces in, and stretch. My camera died on me at the end there, so whatever. But you saw what I did, and all I did now was, so it was parted in the center here, I just moved all of this here so I could have a little bit of a bang. Now, for the moment of truth, I'm gonna unbraid my hair and blend it in with this fro. Honestly, I don't even need to do that either, just because this fills out the hair so much. So if you really want it to be a protective style, then you don't need to do that. But why not, since we're here? I love it. Maybe I can do a twist out with this. It's like what my fro would be on a cooperating day, because some days it just doesn't want to cooperate. So this is what my fro would be on those days. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial and I hope you learned something. Now these past few weeks have been quite difficult. I've decided I'm just gonna be unapologetically black and wear my fro out, but I still want to have some fun with my fro, so I decided let me just zhuzh it up a little bit. And if you have any other tips and tricks or any other ways to style this fro, go ahead and leave your suggestions in the description box below, and like and subscribe to this channel and follow me on IG. And if you're on a roll, go ahead and check out some of my other videos right here. Until next time, bye!